Okay, we will start machining these geometries by drilling holes. Select a tool from the default Alphacam tools, select drill 10. Okay, select drill machine holes, drill tap holes, drilling holes to match drill diameter, levels and cycle data, save rapid level set to 25, rapid down to 5, material top 0 and bottom of hole minus 20, and click OK. And we want to machine all holes, so let's select all button. And nothing happens, no geometry has been selected. In this case, we must manually indicate the geometries to be machined. Select this geometry and try to select this. And as you can see, we can select the geometries on different planes to machine in one operation. But okay, let's accept the selection to drilling only this one hole. Okay. And let's add drilling for the remaining holes. Again, select drill machine holes, drill tap holes. OK, and select one hole. The work planes change, and select another. Accept the selection. OK, and again, and again. Okay, let's cancel the work plane. You can also click here and select flatland, and local work planes was cancelled. And let's prepare the pocket machining. Select tool and select flat 10 from Alphacam tutorial folder. OK. Select pocketing, vertical, OK. Final depth minus 5, OK. And select this geometry, accept the selection and repeat the operation and select this geometry and accept the selection, and let's cancel the work plane. Okay, let's set up material for simulation. Material bottom minus 20, okay, and let's run solid simulation. And in this way we have prepared geometries and machining on the side walls. Of course, here we can also add Z-levels to the geometry and use Auto Z machining.